Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Kali.Alexandria. So excited you're with me today. So I'm just sitting on my bedroom floor right now, just in a sports bra and some shorts because it is such a nice day outside. It hit I think it's gonna hit 80 degrees actually. And I just got done with an outdoor workout. Let me know if you guys are liking the workouts that I've been posting because I don't know, I just have a lot of fun filming them and I love showing you guys what I'm doing for workouts and stuff. And yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram too because I post my workouts on there as well. But yeah, I'm excited for today's video. So we're actually getting a pretty late start to this video. It's almost 1 p.m. And yeah, I wanted to put a couple different things in this video, just helpful information that yeah, I just want to share. And while we're all stuck at home, this could be super helpful. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. This hair seriously needs some TLC right now. But sorry if you can hear that truck that just went by in the background. My windows are open because it's so nice. But yeah, in this video I just wanted to share a couple different foods that will help tighten and tone your stomach. And obviously I just wanted to put it out there that just eating these foods will not make you have a flat stomach. You obviously have to exercise and eat well overall. But I just want to share with you guys just some different foods that will help that. And yeah, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, I also want to show you guys my protein ball recipe because I know I've been saying that I'm going to film it and I just never have yet. So I thought this would be a good video to put it in. So yeah. What's up guys? Good morning. The sun is shining. It's going to be a beautiful day. I am so excited because it's supposed to hit 80 degrees again today. Yesterday it was so nice because the sun was shining all day. It was warm. It felt like summer. I actually laid out in my backyard for a little bit and got some sun. But yeah, today's a new day. It is Wednesday, April 8th, and I'm getting my day started. I hit my snooze button a little too much today, but that's alright because hashtag we are in social isolation, so not like I can go anywhere anyway. But yeah, I'm excited for today and I'm going to vlog a little bit this morning and then I'm going to be sharing with you guys the foods that you should eat and the foods that you should avoid to get a flat tummy. So that is the story today. I hope you guys like this sort of kind of like a vlog, but also an insightful, helpful video. So let me know what you guys think of it. But yeah, good morning and I will talk to you guys soon. I'll let the kitty cat back inside. Strange. guys, hello. Sitting at a picnic table outside by the lake right now. This is the view, and I thought I would switch it up because this is like literally the perfect time for me to just come on here and talk to you guys more about like how to flatten your tummy, what foods to eat and not eat. Oh, I'm like literally in a swarm of wasps. So I'm hoping they won't get me, but if I'm looking around, I'm looking for them, so that's why. Okay, so right here I have a list of foods that you should be eating to aid in your flat tummy goals. So this, I mean, obviously, like I said in the beginning, this isn't like the be-all end-all. Obviously, you're gonna have to like work out and eat healthy like otherwise, but here are just some tips that I can share with you guys. So the first one I have on here is cucumbers, which I absolutely love cucumbers so much, but the reason that they say to eat cucumbers to aid in, you know, getting a flat tummy is because it's an antioxidant that reduces swelling and can actually help prevent bloating, so that's a huge one. So if you guys don't already incorporate cucumbers into your diet, highly recommend that you guys do that. And I like to eat cucumbers with Italian dressing just straight, but also if you guys don't like cucumbers for some reason, then try to add it into like your salads or something where you don't notice it's there really. My next one is such a good one, and this is bananas. So it's a healthy carbohydrate, and I know a lot of people try to steer clear of bananas just because they think that it's just filled with carbs and sugar, which yeah, but it's a healthy carb and healthy sugars. Obviously it comes from the earth, so you're not eating like that processed sugar that you would like if you had a dessert or something. So the reason that they say bananas will help in getting a flat tummy is because your body digests bananas more slower and it leaves you fuller for longer. So it kind of curbs the sugar cravings as well. So that's a good one to try. Next one is another vegetable, and this is asparagus. So I have here that it's really similar to the banana, and your body just digests this so much slower than, you know, your normal vegetables or your normal foods. So this is a good one to try as well if you don't already. My next one is yogurt, and I eat yogurt sometimes. I really don't have yogurt that much, but this is a really good one because one, it's great for your gut, and it also contains probiotics, which helps prevent bloating, and it also has a great amount of protein. So if you guys don't already use yogurt or eat yogurt in the mornings or something, definitely try it. I like, whenever I'm eating yogurt, I usually eat it with oats and then granola. I just like how it tastes better because I'm not really a fan of how yogurt just tastes by itself in general, so I need to add like fruits and granola and stuff. My next one is ginger. So ginger has been used for centuries as a remedy to reduce bloating and keep your belly slim. So if you don't use ginger already, I highly recommend getting some like ginger tea or something, or just drink that in the evenings and just see how it would help your stomach. So my next one isn't actually my favorite, but this is avocado. So I can't eat avocados plain. Again, I can eat like avocado toast sometimes or put avocado in my smoothies. That is the best way for me to eat avocados. So if you guys are the same way and don't really like the taste of avocado just by itself, try like incorporating it with something else so it kind of disguises that. But the reason avocado is so great is because it's a superfood that contains fiber and fats, and in one study it was said that those people who ate avocados regularly had smaller waistlines, so that's super interesting. Okay, this next one, I have been doing this for a long time. I've been eating this one to flatten my stomach and just to have like a good snack to eat, but this one is almonds. So almonds contain monosaturated fatty acids which help your body burn fat and fight hunger. I'm gonna go into foods that you probably should avoid if you want a flat stomach. And I was reading some of these, and obviously these are kind of self-explanatory and kind of common sense, but I'm going to go ahead and incorporate that into this video. But the first one is to avoid cheese. Cheese is dairy, and I don't know about you guys, but I feel like so many people bloat so bad when they eat dairy. So if you're eating cheese and you feel like you're bloating, or you just can't get that flat tummy you always wanted, try to cut out cheese. And then the next couple ones are again pretty self-explanatory, but this is just like soft drinks because there's so much sugar, processed meats because they are high in saturated fats, which I thought this was really interesting because I feel like a lot of people don't really look into that too much. Too much saturated fats isn't good for you. Obviously alcohol, it kind of goes along with soft drinks. but then also fruit juice with added sugar. So be careful what you're putting into your smoothies. So since we're kind of in lockdown, a lot of places are closed, my thing with getting smoothies out and about or at like a smoothie bar is how much sugar, like extra sugar, they put into it. So just be cautious with that. And then when you're making your own at home, again, just be careful with that. Obviously you can control what's in it, so just no added fruit juice. And then my next one is just certain diet foods that you can like buy at a grocery store. So there's so many different like frozen meals and processed stuff that they consider diet foods, which yeah, they're like low in carbs and calories and whatnot, but they are actually high in sodium and preservatives. So just make sure you're reading the label. And then lastly is salt, and salt contributes to bloating. So make sure you are trying to limit your salt intake, especially if you're trying to get a flat stomach. Make sure you kind of just regulate your salt intake and just pay attention to that. But yeah, that is all I had on my list. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my workout here, and then I'll probably talk to you guys a little bit later. Guys, what's up? I just realized I hadn't closed off this vlog, and I think that is what I'm going to do right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me. Give me a like if you made it this far, if you like this video, and subscribe because I post videos Sundays and Wednesdays, and I hope to see you guys around next time as well. So with that being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye!